Hey there! Electrical boxes must be covered, no exceptions. If you've got a deactivated electrical box at home and your local hardware store sells only crappy covers, just make your own with a 3D printer. Step 1. Take measurements of your electrical box and model it in your favorite 3D design software. Step 2. Print it. Step 3. Install it. That's it. Super simple. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY tips, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next one. See you next time.